Stay away from these frogs unless you want big trouble. Number 1. Budget's frog. If you accidentally touch this frog, get ready for an ear-splitting scream, so loud that it might make your ears bleed. But if you've already made the mistake of picking it up, immediately drop it into water to calm it down. Number 2. The American bullfrog. Forget touching. Don't even go near this beast. Bullfrogs are highly aggressive and won't hesitate to attack if they feel threatened. Unlike most frogs, these guys have sharp teeth, making their bites painful and dangerous. Number 3. The poison dart frog. This tiny frog is by far the deadliest. If you touch it, you won't live to regret it. Its toxin is so powerful that even snake venom pales in comparison. The good news? These frogs are mostly found in Amazon rainforests, so unless you're trekking through South America, you're probably